Hello everyone, in previous video we had done up to question number 85 and now I will continue with question number 86. The eructation contraction in reticular rumen are initiated at ventral rumen sac. Answer will be C. Which of the following end product is absorbed in the body through blood? SCFA, short chain fatty acid. The functional equivalent of teeth in birds is, answer will be ventriculus or gizzard. In poultry, the stomach is divided into two parts, glandular parts and non-glandular part. Glandular part is also known as proventriculus and non-glandular part is also known as gizzard or ventriculus. Next question, which of the following is called hunger hormone? Leptin. Rabbit can be fed the following feed in liberal quantity, cowpea hai. Slat system of housing is preferred for housing broiler breeders. Option B will be correct. Common litter-borne disease encountered in deep litter housing system is coccidiosis. The color of mutton is light red to brick red. Option D is correct. Next question, bacterial group that cause spoilage of milk at refrigerator temperature is called as psychrophilic. The next question is Apis cerana indica is Indian bee. One of the following is fit into festive occasions and serve recreational purpose exhibition. Option A is correct. Milk secretion occurs in alveoli. Next question, when the adult dry animal is neither losing nor gaining in body weight and its body condition is constant, then the nutrient requirement are called as maintenance requirement. The appearance resulting from a given gene combination is referred to as the phenotype. The crop left over after harvesting of any cereals, millets or legume is called straw. Better use of productive resources is seen in diversified farming. Water soluble antidiuretic factor is thiamine, that is vitamin B1. Measure anion of ECF, that is extracellular fluid of the body involved in osmotic pressure regulation is chloride. Answer A will be correct. The feces is the primary path for phosphorus excretion in herbivorous animal or carnivorous animal. The answer will be urine. Substitution of the purine by a pyrimidine is called transversion. When purine is substituted by pyrimidine and vice versa, then it is known as transversion, and when purine is substituted by purine and pyrimidine is substituted by pyrimidine, then it is known as transition. The quantity of saliva produced by an adult cattle in a day is about 130 to 180 liter. Edema is caused by decreased rate of return of lymph. The answer D will be correct. Fatty liver kidney syndrome is caused in poultry due to deficiency of biotin, vitamin H. Answer A will be correct. Next question, the repetitive growing of the same sole crop on the same piece of land is monoculture. Colostrum has antibodies in the protein fraction of lact albumin. Answer C will be correct. Estimation of repeatability is not possible for age at first calving. The following factor will not affect the chemical composition of forage crop is method of harvesting of forage crop. The method of harvesting of forage crop will not affect the chemical composition of forage crop. Organisms or substances which contribute to intestinal microbial balance are probiotics. Answer A will be correct. Chromosome complement of nullisomy is 2n-2. If a female hemophilic married a normal male, what percentage of their male offspring would be expected to have hemophilic? According to question, the female is XHXH type and male is XY type. In son, X chromosome comes from mother and Y chromosome comes from father. Because all X chromosome in female are hemophilic, hence probability of their son to be hemophilic is 100%. That's why answer will be C. that is 100%. Next question, grinding up grains increase the digestibility because of increased surface area for enzymatic digestion. Answer D will be correct. Next question, for determining the digestibility of a feed by conducting digestion trial in ruminants, the optimum length of collection period followed is 7 days. The digestibility of the following nutrient is not determined: ash or mineral. The next question, change of gene frequency in migration is given by MQM minus Q0. Answer C will be correct. The external indicator used to determine the digestibility of feed in non-ruminants is titanium oxide. In a linkage experiment, if the observed number of double crossover are 5 and expected are 7, coefficient of coincidence is, the coefficient of coincidence equal to observed upon expected equal to 5 by 7 equal to 0.71. The answer D will be correct. Selenium is a component of the enzyme glutathione peroxidase. If Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium can be assumed, the frequency of heterozygote among the individuals is given by 2q 1 minus q. Answer A will be correct. Which of the following is the correct sequence of code transfer during polypeptide formation? DNA to mRNA, mRNA to tRNA, tRNA to amino acid. Answer A will be correct. In a locus, there are 3 alleles A1, A2 and A3 with the frequencies of 0.6, 0.3 and 0.1 respectively. If the parents mates at random, the frequency of A1, A3 genotype in the progeny generation will be, the frequency of A1, A3 equal to 2A1 into A3 equal to 2 into 0.6 into 0.1 equal to 0.12. Answer D will be correct. Castrated male pig is known as barrow. As the age of animal or human advance, the following nutrients decreases: protein. Inbreeding in a population reduces variance. Inbreeding in population reduces variance. Next question, the gene which kills an individual before birth is called lethal gene. One of the following is a non-ionizing radiation, UV rays. The most variable constituent of milk is fat. Fat is most variable constituent of milk. Pig skin is called rind or pork rind. Anti-nutritional factor present in groundnut cake is aflatoxin. Answer A will be correct. Which of the following is true for red muscle fiber rich in mitochondria? Which of the following stabilizer is from animal source, that is gelatin? Answer A will be correct. Salmonellosis is an example of infectious type of food poisoning. Which heat is more effective? Moist heat. The moist heat is more effective than that of dry heat. Red rot of egg is due to Serratia. Serratia cause red rot in meat and eggs. Cornish breed of chicken has P-comb. Continuous variation is shown by more gene or polygene with small effect. Answer B will be correct. The next question, melatonin controls cyclic breeding behavior. Answer A will be correct. Gimmer is female sheep between first and second shearing. Gimmer is female young sheep. Mature sheep have 32 teeth. There are 32 teeth in cattle, buffalo, sheep and goat also. Native tract of Dangi breed is Maharashtra. Answer A will be correct. Increase in number of daughter per bull, increase accuracy of sire evaluation. Progeny testing is valuable for low heritable trait. Answer C will be correct. Heritability of fertility trait is low. The heritability of reproductive trait is low. Heritability of milk yield and egg production is medium, and heritability of growth trait is high. Distress phase of stress cycle is predominated by influence of progesterone. Concept of A2 milk is associated with beta casein. Answer C will be correct. A primary spermatocyte is transformed into 4 spermatid. Answer B will be correct. The next question is matching type, that is vitamin and their scientific name. Vitamin A retinol, vitamin D2 argocalciferol, vitamin D3 cholecalciferol, vitamin E tocopherol, vitamin K phylloquinone. The next question is TDN measures of energy. TDN is total digestible nutrients. Castor bean, hemagglutinin, immature choir, HCN toxicity, piglet anemia, deficiency of iron, polyneuritis, deficiency of thiamine, that is vitamin B1. Next question is also matching type. Iodine, hairless piglets, cobalt, post disease, chlorine, major anion of ECF, that is extracellular fluid, sodium, major cation of ECF, potassium, higher concentration in muscles. The next question is about institute and their headquarters. NDRI, that is National Dairy Research Institute, is situated in Karnal. IVRI, that is Indian Veterinary Research Institute, is situated in Bareilly. CIRG, that is Central Institute for Research on Goat, is situated in Makhdoom. Pig Research Center is situated in Rani. NRC, that is National Research Center on Horses, is situated in Hisar. The next question is about breed and their characteristics. Murrah, jet black color. Jafrabadi, prominent forehead. Surti, sickle shaped horn. Gir, leafy ears. Concrage, strong horns. Savai chal and lawyer shaped horn is also characteristics of concrage. The next question. Neem seed cake, nimbidine. Mahua seed cake, maureen. Linseed cake, linamarin. Mustard seed cake, glucosinolates. Castor bean meal, ricin. This is question about different types of food material and anti-nutritional factor present in. Next question is about breed and their their crosses. Chersin, this cross of red Sindhi plus Jersey. Karan Swiss is cross of Sahiwal plus brown Swiss. Karan Fries is cross of Thar Parker plus HF, that is Holstein Fries. Sunandini is cross of nondescript cow plus brown Swiss bull. Avivastra is cross of Rambouillet Merino plus Chokla and Nali. Next question. Night blindness is due to deficiency of vitamin A. Right anemia is due to deficiency of iron. Alkali disease is due to deficiency of selenium. Parakeratosis is due to alkali disease is due to toxicity of selenium. Parakeratosis is due to deficiency of zinc. Gross tetany is due to deficiency of magnesium. Next question is degradation of glucose, glycolysis. Synthesis of glucose, glucogenesis. Synthesis of glycogen, glycogenesis. Degradation of glycogen, glycogenolysis. Key molecule in carbohydrate metabolism, glucose. The key molecule of carbohydrate metabolism is glucose. Next question is about vaccine. Anthrax spore vaccine, BQ, that is black quarter formal killed vaccine, HS oil adjuvant vaccine, brucellosis cotton strain 19 vaccine, hog cholera crystal violet vaccine.